Hey guys, it's Damien from Go. Today we have the Explorer G2D Jetwave trailer, hot water. It's 3,000 PSI with 15 litres per minute, designed for a mining application here in Queensland. This trailer here features a mine spec, obviously, because it's going on a mine. So that's why you have the high-vis tape, you have the battery isolator there in the corner, and you actually have all these locks and 1,000 litre water tank on this one, which feeds straight onto a inlet hose and an outlet hose. So the bottom one here is the outlet hose where you connect your gun into, 30 meters. This one here is the inlet hose, which goes straight onto a tap. Everything's lockable, nice and still for transport, so it's not locked. You even get a nice little sleeve here for hot water applications. The trailer itself is actually a hydraulic braking trailer. Comes with the toolbox, single axle, comes with a spare tire over the other side. This is a Keystart Kohler diesel motor, running 3,150 PSI, around 15 litres a minute. Go Industrial, we've partnered with Jetwave. Get this trailer out and many more into your hands. We can supply these trailers in all different shapes and sizes. We can even mount pretty much any pressure washer onto a trailer. So if you are looking for hot water, cold water, or even something as big as a Senator Silent, just let us know and we can quote you up.